Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rinko Art. I know it's been too long since I upload any videos, but I was working in some other projects, so I was little busy. But no issue, I'll try to upload regularly from this month. I'm thinking to do some videos and teach you how to draw your own cartoon characters. Many of the viewers are sending messages or comments that they are unable to draw their own cartoon character. So I can understand because they don't know how to start their practice and what are the things they should do to achieve their character. So I'll start a few videos, small parts on which you can work from basic to advanced. We'll start those things and finally we'll do some animation part as well with the simple characters. So without much ado, let's get started. So here we'll do the basic thing, but before that you need to practice few things before doing your drawing. Okay, what are those? First thing is you have to practice circle. Okay, this type of circle you have to draw very slowly, and on that you have to draw, like if you are drawing like this, you should draw on that particular line itself. It may be little out or in, it's okay, but you should not do like this. It's not like that. It's simply you have to draw the lines on and on and on. Okay, like this. You have to draw the circle like this. It's very important. I'll tell you, and slowly you will understand why you should draw like this. Okay. Next thing, you have to draw 8. See, and it should be in flow. You should not keep your this part touching on the paper. You just lift it and draw like this simply. Okay, this you have to do, this you have to do 100 times, this also 100 times, like this continuously you have to do 100 times, this also 100 times. Okay, next you have to do this line, this line, this line, this line, like this you have to do 100 times. Okay, horizontal line. Okay, second, sorry, this is number 3. Number 4, you have to do this line, and again up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, this is also you have to do 100 times, but both the side you have to do, that's why it's 200, and here also it should be 200. Instead of doing 100, you have to do 200 because you are doing from both the sides. Okay, next you have to do this line, both side. See, okay, this is also 200 times. Every day you have to do if you want to make your hand capable to draw any character, any drawing also. Then you have to do oval. See, this side also and this side also. This side, one side, it's 100. Okay, if again you will do right to left, then again 100. This one is also the same process. 100 means only one side. This is also 100 means from one side. If you are doing both the side, that is better. You have to do 100 and 100 times, means 200 times. Every day you have to do, okay, to make your hand free. Next, after doing this, 2 points like this, and you have to draw line between these 2 points, but like this. See, and from here to here also. Then you can increase the point distance, and again you have to draw and try to touch that point from here to here, and from here to here also you have to do the same like this. Again this one is this, see, but now we have to do vertically. Okay, this is from top to bottom. Now you have to do from bottom to top. See, without touching the hand on the paper. This is most important thing you have to keep in mind. Okay, likewise you have to do straight also, means horizontally from here to here, and from here to here as well. Okay, why these are important, I'll tell you in my upcoming videos. And while drawing also you will understand how easy it will become for you to draw your cartoon character, and it will be appealing, it will give the life to your character. That's why I'm telling you the stroke is more important. So first you need to draw these type of things every day from morning to evening. You have time, you can practice it on newspaper, on any waste paper, you can practice. See, I'll draw one thing. I'll do, see, this is circle, this is line, this is the center line, this is the eye line. After then I'll draw body. Okay, smoothly I'm drawing. Legs, legs, hands, hands. Okay, nose, eyes, ears, mouth. This is the basic construction of a cartoon character. This you know very well. Okay, but how the lines I can draw so frequently, so easily, because of these practice. Okay, many of my subscriber sent me many drawings where they will draw the body like this, you know. It is not showing the confidence in you. So that confidence you can gain by practicing these basic things. I used to do 1000 times before drawing any character to make my hand free. That is more important. If you draw your character, you should have that confidence, you know. If I am drawing anything, see, this is the shape. See, so I'm getting the shape not by not doing like this slowly. It's all the strokes that you will get after practicing these things every day. See, this is the circle, circle. See, these are the circles. See, see, oval. Okay, see, these are the strokes. So all these things matters. You have to practice these every day, every day. Then only you can get your character look appealing. See these lines. I'm not drawing the lines exactly the previous line, because if one line is like this, it's not important to draw on that line itself. It may vary, it may vary. It may go like this, it may go like this. It's not compulsory to draw on that line itself, but you need to put your 100% to draw that line like this without doing it slowly. Instead, you should draw little fast. Okay, that confidence it will come. See, okay. Suppose you are doing here 100 times, then again you can try it over here. Hold the pencil here. It should not be like closer to the knee like this. It should be up to here. Okay, hold the pencil here and then practice it. If you can practice, then only you can follow my videos, because unless and until you are doing the practice, you can't draw what I am trying to teach you. So if you are doing and if you are ready to do these type of practice every day, because this is the first part, I'll give you some more practice also which you have to do every day, and including these. Okay, so if you are ready to do, then only you can come to my video and see and learn. So that's it for now. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.